Travelers, it's 2025 and here today I am going to show you how to get to Mafia Island by using the flight. Let's go and see how we get to Mafia. The fastest and most convenient way to get to Mafia Island is by taking a domestic flight. The main airlines operating flights to Mafia are Aviation and Auric Air. Most flights depart from Dar es Salaam, which is the closest major city to Mafia Island. The flight takes about 30 to 45 minutes, giving you a breathtaking aerial view of Tanzania coastline and the Indian Ocean. You can also fly from Zanzibar if you are already on the island. Flights are typically available daily, but it's always a good idea to book in advance, especially during the peak travel season between June and March. Yes, so just got my tickets and ready to board, and yes, off we go to the Mafia and Salaam. Won a lottery. Oh my gosh.
Into our flight. Just in case of emergency, we have 4 exits. So at the back, 2 in the front. Life jackets are under your seats and motion signals in the front seat pockets. Enjoy your flight. Welcome to Mafia. Have a nice day. Okay.
Once you land at Mafia Airport, you will immediately feel the calm and natural beauty of this place. It's a small, serene airport, perfect for the relaxing experience that awaits you on the island. From here, getting to your accommodation is easy. You can either arrange a taxi or, even better, pre-book a transfer with your hotel. And there you have it, your guide to flying to Mafia Island in 2025. This little slice of paradise is waiting to be explored, and flying there is easier than you think. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more travel tips and guides. Got any question about Mafia Island? Drop them in a comment below and I'll be happy to help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next adventure.